All right, we're going to be writing a linear equation from a point and a slope. And then before now, you have been just graphing these equations. And so now we're going to actually take a step backwards. We're not going to do anything with the graph right now, but they're going to tell you that you have a point and you have a slope. What is the equation? Okay? So you knew that if we had y equals 2x plus 4, you know that this is the y-intercept.
Right.
It's where it crosses the y-axis. And so when you graph it, you just start over here at 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right on there, right? Okay. And you know that this is 2 over 1, and that's the slope. Go up 2 and over 1, right? Up 1, 2, and over 1. And then you can graph your line based on that, right?
Right.
Okay. So today, they're going to tell you that the equation is going to it's going to be a linear equation. So y equals mx plus b, b being the y-intercept, and m being the slope, is what we're going to use, okay? But they're going to not give you a graph, and they're going to say, you know what? I have some line that has the point 8, 3. It crosses through 8, 3, and it has a slope of 2. What is the equation? Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We know that m goes in here. You with me so far? This is an x and this is a y. So the x value goes in for the x. And the y value goes in for the y. Okay, so let's do this.
And then you just have to
solve for b. Yes, it's easy.
Oh.
Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to actually make this not so big because we need more room to work. Okay, so in the place of the y, we said it was going to be a 3, right? In the place of the m, it's going to be a 2. In the place of the x, it's going to be the 8 plus b.
Oh, okay. So then we multiply, right? So that'll become 16.
Okay, 3 equals 16 plus b.
And then are we going to do the thingy where it's like you solve? So we would subtract from...
So b will equal 3 minus 16.
Which is 3 minus 16 is 13. I'm going to say 12.
So we'll have negative 13.
Right.
Okay, so we know our slope. We know our y-intercept. That's not the answer. The answer is actually, what is the equation? So y equals mx. Well, m is 2.
Okay.
X. And b is the negative 13. So y equals 2x minus 13. Is the answer.
Okay.
All right? Pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Let's do another one. They're going to add a fraction there. You know, they wouldn't want it to be too nice.
Yes.
So we still have your y equals mx plus b. We have a point of negative 2 comma negative 7. That line goes through negative 2 comma 7, and then and it also has a slope of negative 3 over 4. Okay? All right, so I'm going to plug everything in. X, y, and m.
Okay.
So what do I put in the place of y?
7. Negative 7.
Very good.
And then m is going to be negative 3/4. And then negative 2 plus b.
Okay, now, we've done some things before where we have fractions. You could just get your calculator out. It's okay if you don't bring it, but I can get us one. And just do it as if we had the fraction button on our calculator. We could multiply this out and do it our own way. Or we could multiply everything by 4 to get the fraction out of there. So it's up to you.
Let's just multiply everything by 4, because that would just make negative 28.
Okay, so 4 here and a 4 here and a 4 here. So I'll have negative 28.
Equals.
And these 4s will
cancel.
So these will go away.
So it'll be negative 3.
Negative 3 times the negative 2.
Oh, negative 6. Positive 6.
Very good. Plus, oops, wrong color. I didn't pick the right color back again after I used the black.
No, other one, I think.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. So 6 plus 4b.
And then we will subtract from over here. So that'll become, I want to say negative 34.
Very good.
And then equal, and then divide by 4. Divide by 4.
Okay.
No clue.
Okay, can I take a 2 out of both of them?
Yes.
And so, because 4 doesn't go into 34, 4. So it's going to be a fraction. So if I took a 2 out of 34, what will be left? I'm going to divide it.
$17.
Very good. And I took a 2 out of 4, it'll be
2.
Okay, so here we go. So our answer is not these. It's the equation. So what's the equation?
Okay, so it's going to be, we said y equals,
It'll be the mx plus b.
right. So we said m was negative 3/4.
Very good.
And then x was negative 2.
We just keep the x.
Oh, right. And then equals, or plus 17 over negative 2.
I'm going to do this real quick. This one is very hidden, so it's hard to see. It's actually minus.
Oh,
Okay, so minus 17 over 2. Okay, so here is our answer.
Okay.
Okay. All right. When there's a fraction, you can multiply it all out, and then just, or you could have just multiplied that out and moved over and use your fraction button, or just do. But this was really great way to do it.
Yeah,
okay?
I like the using my calculator button better.
I understand. I understand.
But other than that, it's not bad.
So we have we wrote a linear equation, and we had a point and a slope to do that.
Okay.
Okay.